let me talk about this Glamfields mirror that I used in this video. I am absolutely loving it. This mirror is much larger than any of these mirrors that you've seen featured here on YouTube and on Amazon. This mirror is absolutely gorgeous. I love this mirror. Look how big this thing is. I absolutely enjoyed using this mirror. Look at all this mirror space. So gorgeous. It made doing my makeup today so easy. This is so huge. You gotta check this mirror out. So gorgeous. And it swivels from like all angles. It's like a 360 swivel mirror, so you can set it up however you want. So nice. And it's battery operated. It lights up. This is just the best mirror ever, and it's just so large. Oh my god, look how big it is. It takes up the entire screen. It is so big, and it's kind of heavy, guys. This is a really nice sturdy mirror, especially if you're beginning building your vanity. This is a definite must-have. So be sure to check out the link down below to get yourself set up with this mirror. This is absolutely gorgeous.